7 in the morning. When they wake, you gotta be ghost. Let me tell you something, I'm about to overflow. Boy, you don't know my bed. What tonight you might find out. Open up my window. Once you're in this, don't wait how. I am a river, and this river's slowing down. Know where you wind up. Across my water till you drown. I feel it, baby. Tell me what's so I know how. I've been up, baby, so you could take me apart. I waited up all night. Take me apart. And I wait up all night. I wait up all night. Afraid of falling, knowing that I could never live without. Try to tell you something, and then you just read my mind. Where you going, baby? Oh, well, I can't say me goodbye. Try to fight it, baby, and now we're going back. My river's slowing down. Know where you wind up. Across my water till you drown. I feel it, baby. Tell me what's so I know how. I've been up, baby. You better take me apart. Waited up all night. You better take me apart. I waited up all night. I wait up all night. I'm working, I can't keep my head up, 'cause we're talking late at night. I started a song, then I gave up, so I hope this comes out right. Don't say you're in love. Don't say you're in love until you learn to take me apart. Waited up all night. Take me apart. I wait up all night. I wait up all night.
In the morning, the pancake house. Come on. 4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. What? 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, you can hear us start to shout. What? 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy head. 9 in the morning, then she just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. 3 in the morning, the pancake house. 4 in the morning, we'll be rolling to my house. 5 in the morning, the lights go out. 6 in the morning, you can hear us start to shout. 7 in the morning, she'll be calling the cab. 8 in the morning, talking about the pussy head. 9 in the morning, then she just getting home. Talking about the overnight scenario. Hey, Michael Brown. Yeah, the overnight scenario. Sample City. The overnight scenario. Hey, River Turn. Say what? The overnight scenario. Hey, cut away. Hey, on the scenario. One more time. Come on.
wanna see if you gon' lie, you gon' love me. I was getting bras way before I got the money. Honey, since I've been a star, they don't love me. The ceiling got stars when the star got no ceiling. Stick it out, poke it out, stick it out, poke it out. Hey, yeah, she got a little butt, so what? Big bag, she can show enough. Stick it out, poke it out, yeah, stick it out, poke it out. My regards to the bras that thought I was done. Pick a side, and dine a jump. I've been letting things slide, they trying too hard. Cause I ain't left the city once, still travel abroad. Nigga, I'm back on my bar shit. The stick in the Honda Civic, we in the car service. I really just mind my business and pray that God sort 'em. Can't really be long-winded, you talking short money today, we not cost cutting. Can you stick it out? Told me she was quarantining, brand new titties out. And there might be a couple weeks to make them bitches bounce. So I mean it when I be like, what's the turn around? No, really, turn around. Okay, I just wanna see if you gon' lie, you gon' love me. I was getting bras way before I got the money. Honey, since I've been a star, they don't love me. The ceiling got stars when the star got no ceiling. Stick it out, poke it out, stick it out, poke it out. Hey, yeah, she got a little butt, so what? Big bag, she can show enough. Stick it out, poke it out, yeah, stick it out, poke it out. Hey.
Turn around, I wanna see. Do it look like how I look on IG? Bad from every angle, she got herself a trainer. I know that nigga can't help but take a little peek. Cold World and Faux Lauren, co-starring. We both flexing, Bo Jackson's, Bo Garden. These cap niggas that rap with piss po jargon. My latest whip, my latest chick was both foreign. I know all my hoes miss me. I've been the shit since I hit elementary. She know who run it, the one that keep it 100. To find a better nigga, you gon' have to live a century. Evidently, the coach can't bench me. The franchise player, I don't know how to miss, and they can't buy a layup. I'm anti what they are. I can't take my eyes off your pants, I swear. Girl, you shining like a damn Montclair. I'm thinking we should dip like the camera in air. If you the big stepper, I'm the landmine here. That's the one they know they can't come near.
We shall overcome. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome. Though I join hands so often with students and others behind jail bars singing it, we shall overcome. Sometimes we've had tears in our eyes when we joined together to sing it, but we still decided to sing it. We shall overcome.
Hang on to the world as it spins around. Just don't let the spin get you down. Things are moving fast. Hold on tight and you will last. Keep your self-respect, your manly pride. Get yourself in gear, keep your stride. Never mind your fears. Brighter days will soon be here. Take it from me, someday we'll all be free.
Take those monies and spread across families. My sister Hattie and Lou, the nephews, cousins, and TT. Eric, the rest of B for whatever she wants to do. She might start an institute, she might put poor kids in school. My stake in Rock Nation should go to you. Leave a piece for your siblings to give to their children too. Title to Champagne, do say I like to see a nice piece, fund ideas for people who look like we gon' start a society within society. That's major. It's like the Negro League. There was a time America wouldn't let us ball. Those times are now back. It's now called Afrotech. Generational wealth, that's the key. My parents ain't have shit, so that shift started with me. My mom took her money, she bought me bonds. That was the sweetest thing of all time. Legacy, 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 legacy. Black excellence, baby, you gon' let them see. Legacy, 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 legacy. Black excellency, baby, let them see. Legacy, 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 legacy. Black excellence, You gon' let them see. Legacy, 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 legacy. Black excellency. Baby, let them see.